what's going on? 6th grade. Hey, check it out. Just want to do or give you guys a friendly reminder. On Wednesdays, it's college readiness, or I like to call future readiness. And you're allowed to wear a college t-shirt or your future readiness t-shirt. And the club, or not the club, the future readiness that I will be providing for you will be the United States Marine Corps. So if you have a United States Marine Corps t-shirt, you can go ahead and wear it. But I'm also going to branch out this year, and I'm going to do all the military branches. Army, Navy, Coast Guard, and Air Force. All the branches. If you got one of those t-shirts, you can go ahead and wear it on a Wednesday, 6th grade.
What's going on, West Wind 6th graders? This is going to be your first interactive notebook for ELA. It's in the book. Review. This is everything you should have up to date right now. Pliggers. About Me page fully done. That was your first homework assignment. On this side, your About Me page is my YouTube channel. Classroom expectations. Interactive notebook guidelines. Make sure that thing is signed. Here's your rubric. Please read it and review it so you know that is what you're supposed to be doing. And that's what you're going to get if that's what your notebook looks like. Boop. Next, your table of contents. All right, we skipped a bunch of pages and we should be on page 25. Quick overview of your table of contents. Your table of contents should look like this. More table of contents all the way up to the letter F. Then we'll go along with race. Then our open constructed response example, play ultimate breakfast. Remember that. Your constructed response rubric, your learning style. I am a tactile learner. What kind of learner are you? And then we're gonna have a bunch of blank pages all the way up until the page 23. Okay. Now page 23 has a bunch of stuff. Has our story elements foldable, little pocket. It also has our plot elements, vocabulary, lyrics, and then on the back our conflict. What's the main conflict? Rap song right here. Then we glued in our plot story that we are reading to map a story about Nate and the scratching noises that he heard that came from the tree. And then goes on to our main lesson that we've been learning in ELA is our notice and note signposts. Go ahead and look at this. Boom. If you have missed these notes, it would be extremely productive of you to hit pause at this very moment and copy these notes down. And turn. And then what we did today, we worked on the skill, notice note signposts of contrasting contradictions and read the story of Thank You, Ma'am. That's where we're at, and you should be up to date for your ELA notebook. Chaya! Is ready to rock and roll?
Yes.
Conflict. What's the main conflict?
Conflict.
Person versus person. Is a conflict between me and you. Person versus beast. Oh no, watch out for the thunderbolt from Pikachu. We have conflict. What's the main conflict?
Conflict.
Person versus nature. Mother Earth is an elemental creator. She's ready to bring the pain on the narrator. Person versus machine. I have a problem with technology. Robots might be coming for me. It's a good possibility. We have conflict. What's the main conflict?
Conflict.
Person versus self, it's internal. The type of emotions that make your heart melt. Person versus society, I have bad credit, I need money, but I can't get a loan. Last but not least, it's person versus the unknown. I'm blinded, I can't see anything. The conflict can't be spotted. We have conflict. What's the main conflict?
Conflict.
Hey! Alright guys, here is the ultimate breakfast that I was telling you about when we were doing our open constructive responses and what the ultimate breakfast is. And this is it. This is my mom cooking me some good old garlic fried rice, sunny side up eggs, Spam, and spicy banana ketchup. Remember guys, when we're using race, you need to make sure that you restate the question, you answer the question, and you cite two pieces of evidence. In this case, since we're not using text, we're giving two reasons. Then we explain, and that's when we elaborate on the evidence and examples that we have cited. So make sure you go ahead and do that, and always, if you need help, please let me know. Before you play with the Play-Doh, clean up this mess. Say okay.
Okay.
Now do it right away.
Okay.
Thanks. Your homework of the week. Remember, it's given out every Friday and it is due on Friday when you enter the classroom. Your first task was to write down a open constructive response from this prompt. How was your summer using grace? Remember to restate the question, answer the question, give me two pieces of evidence or two reasons why, and explain your evidence. Next, it's do a notice and note on a video name. Roughly, you can do a short cartoon video, or maybe it's a movie you saw. And what notice and note did you notice, and what happened? What prompted that notice and note? What was happening? Boop. And then last but not least is this plot elements, read and respond. I believe there are 10 questions here. Go on and read and respond to what you think the correct answer is by circling it. And that's your homework for the first week of school for Mr. C Vision, week 1. See you guys later.